little haul for you guys. So first, Marshalls. This is like my favorite store ever because there's brand stuff for a good price. First thing in my bag is this really cute phone case. And I love pink. It's my favorite color. And it's for the iPhone 8, 7, and 6S. And I have the 7. And this is super cute. I hope you guys had a good holiday break. And Happy New Year. Ooh, super cute. It's, oh god, I don't know how to say it, but this is the brand. I'll put it right here. Somewhere. Ooh, super cute. This face mask. Shake and Shot Rubber Hydro Mask. This was, this was $5.99 and the phone case was $7.99. So I've seen these everywhere. I like Sephora and I've always wanted to try it because it's like a rubber mask. And I love skincare and face masks, and this was a good price. And then I got 2 pairs of leggings. Oh, I love leggings. So the first pair, stretchy, have a side pocket. Now these were $16.99, and on the thing it says the original $88, which is a really good price for what I got it. And then I got regular black leggings, and they both have pockets on the side too. And original price $78, and I got them for $14.99. And I'll try those on for you. But yeah, I need some good athletic leggings that are good quality and not $98 like Lululemon's are. Leggings. Here, I'm gonna put the light on. This is the phone case. Here, let me move this. They're really nice. And I love this color. It's my favorite color. And they're not actually too long on me. Usually it's really hard for me to find blue leggings that aren't really long. And these good price. Definitely good to work out in. I don't really have an ass, but yeah. Perfect. They're just the right length. And these super cute. I'll show you the brand. These ones are Yogalicious Flux. 90 degree. And these have a pocket too. Super cute. And I wanted to show you the new vanity I got for Christmas. Yes. Look how cute. Now I can be organized. Now, Nordstrom Rack. I spent a lot of time in there because I wanted to look at all the purses. And I got some good stuff first. As I saw this, I fell in love with it. Look how cute this ring is. It's Covette. This was $14.97. Originally $30, and that's why I love Nordstrom Rack. They have good brands and for really good prices. And this is super cute. I love jewelry. I'm going to put this on right now. This is a size 8. Fuck, how do I get this off? And it's 14 karat gold. Middle. I wanted it here. It might be too big, but I really like it. And then I got this Real Water Brightening Black Lip Gel Patch. I've seen these everywhere, like the jelly lip masks, and my lips have been very dry because I've been on Accutane, and I thought this would be really nice. And I've never tried a lip mask. This was $12.97, originally $20. And this comes with 5. And then I got just a Calvin Klein bra. $11.97, originally $24. And I love these. I have one and I've had it for like a couple years and I needed a new one. And yeah, that's it from Nordstrom. They have a really good sale. And then I went to Ulta Beauty. So I got a smaller moisturizer in this brand from my dermatologist, and I really liked it. She said it was good for my dry spots on my face because of Accutane. And this is huge. I saw it in the clearance section, and this is, I think originally maybe like 30 something, but I got it for $19.95. And it's Toleraine. Just, it's a moisturizer. Guys, I love a good moisturizer. I love skincare so much. And this could last you a while. 75 milliliters. Damn. And then I got Kylie Skin Vitamin C Serum. I've been wanting to try Kylie Skin for a while, and I really want to try her serum because that's something I don't really have. I love packaging. Oh. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Is it a... Oh. I'm stupid. Nice. Ow! I just dropped it on my fucking ankle. It smells weird, but serum is good. Face. Ah, that really hurt. Oh. And this was 28 bucks. So today she revealed the Stormy collection, and it's the cutest thing ever. The packaging is like butterflies, and I love butterflies. And it launches on my birthday, which happens to be Stormy's birthday, the 1st. And hopefully I get something from there. And that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out, dudes.